Hi people, here we are. The build is done. All that I've got left is cable management, and I gotta tell you, I'm starting to become more and more in love with this case because of its possibilities of cable management specifically. Let me just try to demonstrate you what I'm talking about. These are cables for turning it on, reset, HDD, LED and stuff like that. Here I managed to pull the I-Link cable from the Corsair H100i liquid cooling behind the power supply unit, and you can see that all in all cables are nice and tidy, just the way I like it. Of course, before anything, when you're plugging in the cables, first you plug them all in so they work, and then you have to unplug almost all of them as you're trying to get them to look nice. Anyway, let's turn this beast around. I'm saying beast because I didn't measure, but I'm pretty much sure that it's over 20 kilograms in weight. Let's see. Just a sec. Yeah, that's it. So I've got a nice amount of space, 3 centimeters, that's over an inch here between the back plate and the close of the casing, so there shouldn't be any problem with that. This is power for graphics card, since 7850 uses only one 6-pin connector. I'll just put this here. That's for starters. Now I have to deal with all this, but it shouldn't be a problem because it has all the little places where you can hook them up, the cables of course, and it has holes all the way through, like for fans. Yeah, I should have showed you that before. I installed 2 fans from here and 2 from the front, and you can put them through these holes here and bring it all out. So I hope the back side will be nice as it is from the inside. Now I'm gonna stop the camera and start with the cables, because there is really no need for you to look at me picking around the cables. So see you in a bit. Okay, so that would be it for now, because I'm not satisfied, not quite, with this part. It still fits inside of the case. That's SATA to liquid cooling, and the rest is pretty standard. I dragged the cables for I/O from up here down here and around the back, and here you can see cables from daisy chaining for fans. Just a sec to show you. And if you're asking yourself what kind of freak wouldn't take this foil off, I'm doing this custom as an order, so the owner will have the privilege to take off the foil. Anyway, these are Corsairs, which came originally with SP120 with H100i water cooling. Oh, it's really heavy. Oh. And instead of that, just a sec. Oh, this is better. Instead of that, I'm using SP120s. Anyway, that's video about cable management. Just a sec to take the cam off the tripod to show you the other two fans I talked about. Here they are. One, two. Here's the third one. Cable also hidden. So all in all, I'm quite satisfied. I was even thinking about masking this with black duct tape or something like that, but it would be an overkill. This is enough. I sure hope so. Anyway, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Thanks and bye.